Hi everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. My name is Amika and today I am going to show this classic glam hair look that is known as sleek hair or wet hair. I have shown it a very simple and easy way. Keep watching the video till end to know. This look is actually requested by one of my subscriber and you can also tell me which look you want to see next by commenting below. I would love to do that, and if you want to know the makeup look, I am putting a link up there. So without further ado, let's get started. First I am showing the tools before we start. You need a flat brush, small or big, whichever you have you can use. Then a section brush like this to parting the hair. A comb like this. Then a hair mousse to set the hair, and I am using this mousse. This is from Nova Gold. You can use any mousse you have. Then a hairspray to lock the hair, and this is from Gatsby, and again you can use any hairspray you have or prefer. And a elastic band to tie the hair. So first I am applying the mousse, but before that detangle your hair first. Apply the mousse to the root of the hair and make sure you apply it evenly. Yes, I am using a lot cause my hair is a bit thick. Now parting the hair with help of the section brush. I have decided to keep my hair middle parted. You can do anything like side parting also, or back hair, high ponytail, whichever you want. Brush the hair well and make pony with the elastic band. Now take this comb, make sure every hair is flat and smooth. So our hair is almost done now, and I am going to use the hairspray to make sure it stays long, and if you have baby hairs, that will cover up. that's it guys, the look is complete. Isn't it very easy and classy? I just love this look. What do you think of the look? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell button for the updates and see you soon with a new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.